So today we discuss about the last point in this unit, that is the giant chromosome. Or question asked like, what are the giant chromosomes? Comment on its type. So giant chromosomes are nothing but the special type of chromosomes. So generally chromosome का structure आपने study किया है in the chromosome. Ribbon or rod shape are the chromosomes, and in that there is the genes are present. So these giant chromosomes are the special type of chromosomes, and these are present on this some organism. So before starting, you watch this video. So as you know, these giant chromosomes, mostly these chromosomes having the body are radially stained. जैसे हम नॉर्मली क्रोमोसोम देखते हैं वो कैसे पूरा जो स्टे यदि हम उसको स्टेन करेंगे तो पूरा हमें स्टेन हुआ दिखते हैं. लेकिन just the special type of chromosome, they are not clearly stained. Sometimes these chromosomes are also the vehicles of inheritance. As like the normal chromosomes के अंदर क्या रहते हैं genes, और these genes will carry the all genetic information from one generation to the next generation. Same here in these giant chromosomes also carry out some genetic information through this chromosome. That's why these giant chromosomes are also the vehicles of the inheritance. So, some organisms in certain stages of the life cycle, they show some cells having with the large nuclei. So these cells contains the large chromosomes. These large size chromosomes are nothing but the giant chromosomes. So what are the types of giant chromosomes? So there are two types. First one is the polytene chromosome. So polytene chromosome, they are mostly found in the salivary glands of the dipteron larva, that means Drosophila chirominas. So in the Drosophila, these polytene chromosomes are present in the salivary gland. Salivary gland, that means जो हमारा सलाइवरी ग्लैंड कहाँ पे रहती है तो माउथ के अंदर वहाँ पे सलाइवरी ग्लैंड रहती है. So in this salivary gland of Drosophila, these polytene chromosomes are present. Then second type is the Lambrus chromosomes. So Lambrus chromosomes, they are found in the oocytes of some vertebrates. जो vertebrates animals से इसके जो oocytes रहते हैं वो वहाँ पे हमें Lambrus chromosomes दिखाई देते हैं. For example इसका amphibians है, कुछ reptiles और in some birds. These Lambrus chromosomes are present. So let discuss about the detail of this polytene chromosome as well as the Lambrus chromosome. So, polytene chromosome first discovered by the scientist Balbiani in 1881. So, these polytene chromosomes mostly occur in the salivary glands of the Chiromenus larva, and also they are present in the fat bodies, then Malpighian tubules, tracheids, fat body cells, etc. in the Diptera and larva. Also, these polytene chromosomes are present in the salivary glands of the Drosophila melanogaster. तो जो Drosophila insect है उसके भी जो salivary glands है, in that salivary gland these polytene chromosomes are present. So this is the structures of polytene chromosomes. So you have to see this structure. At the center there is the centromere and they are different arm-like structure is developed. The dark body, the nucleolus is there, and on that uh, chromocenter, different arms of these chromosomes are developed. These arms are two types, maternal and paternal. मैटरनल साइड्स आप देख सकते हो जो डार्क बैंड्स आपको नजर आ रहे हैं एंड इन द पैटर्नल देयर इज द very light colored gland observed. So here this is the structure of the polytene chromosome. So size of this whole polytene chromosome is about 200 mu in length, and at the chromocenter it is there is the patch of heterochromatin and it carries the co-radiating arms. So heterochromatin, that means in that space there is the condensed DNA are present, and at the heterochromatin in the polytene chromosome these are present at the center, and they surrounding that there is the different arms are present. So there's a chromosome first, that means arm first of this structure of polytene chromosome is the rod shape, then chromosome second and chromosome third. तो इन फर्स्ट फिगर यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो नंबरिंग किया हुआ है, जो भी आर्म्स है आर्म्स को यहाँ पे डिफरेंट नंबरिंग किया है. यहाँ पे जो राइट हैंड में यहाँ पे सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, देन टेंथ, इसी तरह डिफरेंट आर्म्स हमें वहाँ पे नजर आते हैं तो उसको नंबरिंग किया जाता है. सो इन दैट chromosome or first arm it is rod shape, then second and third arm which are present at the middle and they are presented to chromosomal arms. Then chromosome 4, which is a very short stump-like structure. So each chromosome shows the several parallel strands known as the chromonymata. So chromonema has alternate dark and light bands. In that, dark bands are called as the chromomeres. जो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, तो यहाँ पे आपको डार्क और लाइट, एक साइड में आपको डार्क लाइन दिखी है, एक साइड में लाइट, जो कि मैटरनल और पैटर्नल ऐसा उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया हुआ है. सो दिस डार्क कलर बैंड which known as the chromomeres. Then these polytene chromosomes, poly means many numbers. So here and teen means arm. So polytene chromosome, that means the many arms are present in these chromosomes. Then, in this structure, there is the endopolyploidy are also seen. So, endopolyploidy are happens in the polyploid chromosome. So, what is mean by endopolyploidy? So, endopolyploidy that means when the mitosis takes place, हमने माइटोसिस स्टडी किया है कि सिंगल सेल से वहां पे जो भी डीएनए मटेरियल है, न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल है, वो क्या होता है, डबल हो जाता है और फिर उससे सिंगल सेल से टू न्यू सेल्स फॉर्म होते हैं। तो यहाँ पे पॉलीटीन क्रोमोसोम में क्या होता है, जब भी यहाँ पे माइटोसिस होता है तो माइटोसिस में सेम लाइक द अदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स यहाँ पे जो न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल है, न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल डबल हो जाता है। तो न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल डबल डबल तो हो जाता है, बट इन दैट केस देयर इज द जो न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल है दे विल नॉट सेपरेटेड, जो न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल सेपरेट नहीं होता है। दैट्स व्हाई these all material are condensed at one place, that is the chromonimata, and that's why this happens, that is endopolyploidy, it happens in these polytic chromosomes। वहाँ पे खाली जो genetic material है, genetic material double होता है, but there is the no separation of the genetic material। Also, in case of the polyploid chromosomes, there is the Balbiani rings will be developed. So Balbiani rings, that means the large puff or the loops-like structure is developed. It is due to the uncoiling of some chromonimata at the interband region. So these loops are called as Balbiani rings, and these Balbiani rings are the active sites for the RNA सिंथेसिस। तो जहाँ पे बाल्बियानी रिंग डेवलप होती है वहां से आरएनए सिंथेसिस स्टार्ट होता है। बाल्बियानी रिंग कहाँ पे डेवलप होती है, तो जो इंटर बैंड रीजन है, एक डार्क बैंड और बीच में हमने देखा कि लाइट बैंड है, लाइट बैंड इज नोन एज द इंटर बैंड। सो इन दिस इंटर बैंड दिस वहां पे अनकॉइलिंग होने की वजह से बाल्बियानी रिंग डेवलप होती है और बाल्बियानी रिंग आगे जाके आरएनए प्रोड्यूस करता है। लुक इन दिस पिक्चर क्लियरली सीन द स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द Balbiani ring. In first, there is the polyclinic chromosomes of Drosophila melanogaster females. In that, you have to see at the center there is the chromocenter, and around that, different arms of the chromosomes are developed. And on that arms, there is the different bands are there. And in between two bands, there is the interband regions are also there, which is in light color. So, with in right hand figure, you have seen the dark band, and in between that, some interbands are there. And here, large puff-like structure is developed, which is the chromosomal puff, or also called as the chromonimata. So, these chromonimata, they can synthesize the messenger RNA, that is mRNA। जैसे कि हमने नॉर्मल क्रोमोसोम में हम देखते हैं डीएनए का ब्रेकडाउन होके वहां से मैसेंजर आरएनए तैयार हो जाते हैं, उसी तरह यहाँ पे जो स्पेशल टाइप क्रोमोसोम है उसमें भी आगे जाके आरएनए सिंथेसिस होगा। तो आरएनए सिंथेसिस ये जो क्रोमोनिमेटा है, दैट इज द क्रोमोसोमल पफ, वहां से आरएनए सिंथेसिस स्टार्ट होता है। At this below figure, there is the polytene chromosome with puff and lower puff is magnified structure। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, in that there is some interbands and dark bands, and at the center there is the chromonimata, and around that chromonimata the Balbiani rings will be produced। So this is all about the polytene chromosomes। Then next special type of chromosome is the Lamb chromosome. सो लैम्बर्ट क्रोमोसोम अबाउट द डिस्कवरी आपने वीडियो में देखा होगा जो फ्लेमिंगो के ऊपर है। तो यहाँ पे बुक में पार्केट इन 1862 ऐसा मेंशन किया हुआ है, तो उसके बारे में हम बुक का ही रेफर कर सकते हैं। सो दिस लैम्बर्ट क्रोमोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द oocytes of the sharks or also some reptiles and birds. So these Lambert chromosomes are present in some vertebrates like amphibians, reptiles, and birds. These mostly these Lambert chromosomes are present in the oocytes. जो oocyte रहते हैं जो कि फीमेल बॉडी में डेवलप होते हैं, तो वहाँ पे in oocytes mostly these Lambert chromosomes are present. So in right hand there is the figure of this Lambert chromosome. So there is a pair of Lambert chromosome, and that's why it is called bivalent. Its length is about 0.5 millimeters, and uh, if some portion will be enlarged, so the region of the single chromosome you can see at the axis point. On this axis point, there is the chromomere, and at the both sides of this axis, loop-like structure is developed. If we can enlarge this part, you can clearly see in the extended chromatin loops at both the sides, and at the center there is the chromomere formed from the highly condensed chromatin. The chromomere, that means वहाँ पे condensed हमें chromatin material मिलेगा, and at the both sides there is the uh, some few amount of DNA or genetic materials will be present. So last figure is about the small regions of the chromosomes showing the sister chromatids. So length of each loop or half of the loop is about 10 mu. That means the size of whole Lambert chromosome is about 1000 in length, and these Lambert chromosomes is look like the brush और cleaning the जो हम brush use करते हैं cleaning के लिए, this structure is the same like the brush. So these Lambert chromosomes mostly present in the pairing or homologous pairing. Homologous that means जो दोनों साइड्स में हमें सिमिलर साइज यदि क्रोमोसोमल लूप्स है, तो यहाँ पे टर्म यूज किया है होमोलोगस पेयरिंग. यदि एक क्रोमोसोम एक साइड बड़ी और एक साइड यदि छोटी रहती तो वहाँ पे हम क्या बोलते हैं, नॉन होमोलोगस पेयरिंग. तो यहाँ पे हम स्ट्रक्चर में देख सकते हैं एट द टू साइड्स similar size you can see. So in this Lambert chromosome there is a homologous pairing is present. So in that the crossing over of each other takes place, and the point of crossing over is called as chiasmata. यहाँ पे Lambert chromosome में crossing over हो जाता है, and this point of this crossing over is called as chiasmata. These loops in this Lambert chromosome shows the or they shows the appearance of the lamp brush. जो आपको साइड्स में जो लूप नजर आ रहे हैं, these loops are look like the lamp brush. So each loop consists of the axial fibers and matrix at the center, and these axial fiber or axial or axis fibers, these are made up of the DNA, and the matrix is made up of the RNA and protein. So on these loops there are many genes are present, and it is activated RNA synthesis and protein. So these synthesized RNA proteins are stored in the loop region. जो आप स्ट्रक्चर में यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, जो लूप रीजन है दैट इज बोथ एक्सिस के दोनों साइड्स में ही जो प्रेजेंट है. दिस लूप They also contain the genes and they are activated the RNA synthesis. So RNA synthesis and after RNA they can produce the protein molecules. So here saying these loops of these Lambert chromosomes are produces the or they can synthesize the RNA and produces the protein molecules. So here uh, the these are the two special types of the chromosomes. That is, first one is the polytene chromosomes and Lamb-Rush chromosomes. So, for objective type of intentions, the questions may be asked on the polytene chromosomes where it is present. So these are present in the mostly salivary glands of these Drosophila or Dipteron, larvae Lamb-Rush chromosome where it is present. So mostly it is present in the oocytes of the vertebrates in that amphibians, reptiles and some birds. Then पॉलीटीन क्रोमोसोम में डिस्कवर किसने फर्स्ट टाइम किया है तो बाल्बियानी इन 1881 में उन्होंने डिस्कवर किया है उसके ऊपर भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं देन अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर तो in structure there is the Barbiani ring. So Barbiani ring where it is present or in which organism it is present. So mostly these are present in the polygene chromosomes or salivary glands of the Drosophila. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस वहाँ पे आ सकते हैं आपको Lamb-Rush chromosome where it is occur. So mostly it occurs in the जो भी vertebrates है in vertebrates the in the oocytes of the vertebrates these are present. Then about the structure, so the lateral loops of these Lamb-Rush chromosomes are synthesize the RNA and proteins. So in short, these are detail about the polytene as well as Lamb-Rush chromosomes.